Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. I am so excited for today's video because they are so cute. Today's video is a super simple 5-minute DIY velvet bow tutorial. I picked up some velvet ribbon from my craft store kind of a while ago because I wanted to make these bows. I just got around to making them and they are the easiest things ever to make and they're so cute, so I just wanted to share. I made these cute little bows for Hallie, but also like I would totally wear these like in a ponytail. I think that would be so cute. So I thought I would just share the really simple process of how to make these. I mean, they're so stinking cute. This ice blue color is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. And then like this emerald green, perfect for the holidays. Okay, so I'm just going to make one right now on camera just to show how simple it is to make. I don't sew it, I just use a hot glue gun. I tried sewing my first one and it was honestly like kind of harder and took longer than just using a hot glue gun. So no sew bow, everyone loves that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your velvet ribbon and cut 3 pieces. Obviously you can change the dimensions to suit your preference on the size, but my dimensions are, first small piece is like 1.5 inches, and then you need a piece that's 6 inches long, and then a piece that is 10 inches long. You're going to start with the 6-inch piece, and all you're going to do is fold the 2 ends into the middle and glue it down. Let's see if I can do this without the table. I also just put a little dot of glue on the inside to glue like the 2 halves kind of to each other just so it stays like that. Okay, so now you're going to take your 10-inch strip and you're going to fold it in half. But you want the velvet side to be outward facing on both of the tails. So when you fold it, you kind of have to tuck one kind of under so that both of the velvet sides are showing. And then I just kind of hot glue that in place so that it stays. And then you're just going to glue these 2 onto each other. This is the front of my bow and the tails are the front, and so I'm just going to glue them together from the back. Okay, easy enough. Next I'm just going to take my 1.5-inch strip and this is going to be wrapped around the center, just like that, and you'll just glue it in place in the back. I wasn't kidding when I said this is the easiest bow DIY I've ever done. And then if that middle ribbon section is like too long, you can just kind of trim the edges up. And now you just have to add your clip to the back. So I'm just going to put some glue right on the back and glue my clip right onto it. Glue this down. Okay, and then the last thing that I do is I just kind of cut the tails just to make sure they're the same size, and I just like adding a little diagonal clip to them. So I'm just going to cut nice clean lines on these. There we go. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, so stinking cute. These, I mean, I put these on my 3-year-old and she is just darling in them. But like I said, I would probably put this in my hair as well, like in a low ponytail and then add that in. That would be cute. So yeah, just thought I would share that with you guys because they are just the easiest things and just perfect for the holidays. If you end up making these for yourselves or for your kids, please tag me in them. That would just make me so happy to see you guys make these. And that is it today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!